Hello everyone. So in this course of stock market and trading zero to hero, we will be learning stock market in depth and trading in depth. Zero to hero. Here zero to hero means that I will assume that you know nothing about stock market. You don't know what even a stock is, and I'll teach you to the highest level of option trading, how to do technical analysis and a lot more, and I'll teach you everything in depth. So I'll assume that you know nothing and you will be good at stock market and trading, or whether you want to invest, you'll just learn everything about it. So let us first start with the basic. Before knowing the stock market or trading, we need to learn about some businesses like how businesses work, how are companies formed, what type of companies are there. So we need to understand that. See, in the basic stock market, the basic term is stock. What is stock? So for understanding stock, let us take a situation. If you and I are starting a company and we both have equal partnership, then what will happen? The company will have two shares. 50% of the company you will have and 50% of the company I'll have. So how many shareholders are there? Two, you and me. So the company has two shares right now. 50% you take and 50% it's mine. So moving forward, if a company has two people as shareholder, they have 50% equity. All right. Now if a company has 10 people and they own equal ownership, so everybody has 10% each ownership. So now how many shareholders are there? 10 shareholders are there. And how many shares are there of the company? 10 shares are there of the company. For example, a company is worth 1 crore. The valuation of the company is 1 crore, and 1 lakh shares are there in the company, and each share is now worth how much? 100 rupees. So 1 lakh into 100, it's 1 crore. The total valuation of the company is 1 crore, and each share is worth 100 rupees, and 1 lakh shares are there. So many people will buy it and they'll sell it at some profit or loss. Now we'll understand how the valuation of the company is calculated. So first let's see what is share market. Share market is basically a place, like we have market for the shoes, we have market for the lights, we have market for the electronics. So in electronic market we get all the electronic item. So in share market, share are bought or sold and they are publicly traded. You can see the definition over here. You can read it. You'll get this PDF and you can read it easily. Here I am here to explain you what is the stock market. So now let's understand how valuation of a company is decided. Valuation of a company is determined by various factors. And the chartered accountant in the company, they do audit and they finally calculate how much the company is worth accurately. So like, what is their financial leverage, what are their assets, what is their financial expected return, what will be their fusion performance, what is the cash flow, is the company is in profit or is in loss, and all the assets, all the strategy of the company. This is how the valuation of the company will be decided. So the valuation of the company can be increased or decreased as it performs. For example, there is a car company. Let me just take an example. Let's say Tata Motors share price. See, Tata Motor is a car company, and as we all know, the car demand is very high nowadays in India. So if someone wants to invest in Tata Motors, he feels that Tata Motor is a very great company and he has some savings and he want to invest in Tata Motors. So what he'll do, he'll buy a share of this. Now he is a shareholder of Tata Motors. Tata Motors have a lot of shares in the market. So for example, this is a yearly chart. So if he had invested like for 1 year, 1 year back, today is 5th April 2024, 1 year back, 5th April 2023, the share price was 426 rupees, and today, as of now, it is 1013 rupees. So if he had bought at that price and if he had sold at this price, he'll gain a profit, and this is how people earn through stock market. Got it? Okay. Now let's move forward.